Hey, it's Dr. Molski with Freedom Health Centers, and again this month we're talking about, this specific week we're talking about eating well during the summertime, and when we're going, we've got 4th of July, all our barbecues, all the pool parties, and all the vacation stuff that we do. You know, sometimes eating well can be put on the back burner during these times. Of course, your mindset, which is part of the thinking well, you've got to have a mindset as to how to eat and really always be thinking about 80-20, right? 80% of the time eating for your health and eating things that are healthy for you. 20% of the time, yeah, have some fun, enjoy. One meal is not going to blow you. It's not going to make you explode. It's not going to cause all kinds of issues to you. However, continuously doing that becomes the problem. And that's how we gain weight and that's how we get sick. So really making sure that we eat for our health is an important thing. So when we go to the barbecue and the whole spread is out there, what are we looking for, right? It is summertime, so you're going to get the harvest from what happened here in the spring. And there's a lot of yummy vegetables that are going on that are in season. A lot of yummy fruits that are going on. You kind of want to watch some of that fruit. It can be, yes, real tasty and real sweet, but fructose in itself can cause a little bit of blood sugar issues too. So gorging down on a bunch of fruit could actually cause a problem with some people. And you may not have heard that before. It's, oh, fruit's good for me. Well, you take that to an extreme, and fructose is one of the sugars, of course, like glucose, fructose, maltose, all those things. But fructose can cause some issues with our blood sugar, so we got to watch that. You have that big spread. Go for the majority of your plate full of some nice vegetables and the meats that are out there. If it's barbecue and all that stuff, generally those are going to be okay. It just depends on how much of the sauce and stuff that they put on it. You got to watch some of that. If there's a way that you could actually bring some of your own food to one of these things, that might be a good thing, and then you can pull things from the other plates and things that are there. When you're in the summer, it's really easy to grab a nice cold soda. Oh, yes. But if you don't know those things, the soda's there. If it's a diet soda, you haven't read the more latest studies, is that those diet sodas make you fatter. It's just out there. Google it. It's right there. You'll see it. Stay away from that junk. It's terrible. If you're having a soda, in limitation, okay, which limitation would maybe be 1 a week, not 2 a day. No, 1 a week might be okay. It's just the phosphorus that's in there. That's what makes it bubble and all that stuff. That phosphorus actually leaks and leaches calcium from your own bones. And people who drink a lot of soda, they get osteoporosis, osteopenia, and all that kind of stuff. Not very good. It also creates havoc with your digestive system, and the amount of sugar that's in there, geez, you might as well just inject it into you. But really during the summertime, it's hot out, you're gonna lose water. Drink water. Drink a lot of water. You need to be drinking probably at least 80 ounces a day. The average person, if you take their weight and you divide it in half, that's how many ounces of water they should have in a day. So if you're 200 pounds, you should be drinking 100 ounces of water a day. That's a lot. But if you can get it at around 80, boy, you're doing really good. Really good. You should be peeing probably once an hour almost, maybe once every other hour. So that's a good indication of good hydration. So looking at those foods is really important. This is a very vital time because you don't want to have this time carry over now into the fall and into the Christmas time, because now we've packed on some weight and then all that stuff starts all over again. So really watch, make sure that you're eating for your health. All right, Dr. Molski, Freedom Health Center.